Right everyone, so check out this paper plan. Let me hold the plan right here and thread hard. Here we go. Let me go pick it up. One last time. Okay. Wow, it was perfect now. The first step is to flatten the paper down. Make sure that it's flattened and fold the paper in half. Make sure that our edges are lined up. Press it down hard. And on the following step, let's start from this side. Fold straight up like this. Alright, then you see this part of the paper here. I just leave it like this for now. I flip the paper over. I fold this part of paper, matches to the other side. Adjust this. And I curve this one up a bit, just like the other side. I will not press it down, I just curve it up. Alright, now I open the wings. I flatten the paper down again. You see that I have these two parts pop up. I hold both sides together. I fold both sides or both pieces of paper or layers to the other side and press the paper down. And I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Hold both sides together and press the paper down. Now I can fold this part of paper to the other side and this to this side. Okay. On the following step, I will start from this upper edge. I fold to the edge. I press the paper down. Make sure that you fold to the edge only. Okay, so adjust the paper first. Hold the paper and press it down. Once I finish with this side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So for this edge of the paper, first through the center crease. And then open the paper for both sides. Start from this edge, fold to the center crease again, and press the paper down. Press it down. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now fold both sides of the paper together. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I can hold the paper up and fold both sides together. Just adjust it. And I can match both sides together. Press it down. Just look good. Now I can hold the paper up and I can fold the part of paper down to create the head of the plane. Now I have the head of the plane. It looks really cool. On the following step, I just flatten the paper down. Now I can start from this edge of the paper. I fold toward the center crease. Press down the paper. Press it down hard. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Press it down very hard. Let's look good. sketch out the head. And on the following step, I will start from this upper part of the paper. I fall straight to this edge. Make sure that it's matched to the center crease. And then I can press the paper down. This look good. Now I can fold this part of the paper up, right? But I will use my fingers as a reference for both sides. I curve the paper up a little bit first and use my fingers as a reference. I fold this part of paper up just a little bit like this. You can see both sides. This part of paper will pop inside. You see that? So it's a little bit tricky. Hold the paper, right? Hold it right here. You can use this size of the paper as a reference to fold it up. Right here, I fold it up. Just fold slightly up like this. Make sure that it goes straight to the center crease. Right, I'll place the paper up. You can see it like this. This the paper match right here at the end. So just place down, press it down. That's very nice. And then I can flip the paper over. This part of the paper I will pop out so that it will hold this part of the paper, the bottom and the body of the blend all together. And on the following step, I will start from this edge of the paper right here and fold straight to the center crease like this. Right, match this right here, fold to the center crease right here. It will stop right here. Make sure that you do not go over it. Right, match this right this edge right there. Curve it, right, and then add this part of the paper. You can pull it out right there. You can pull it out. Right here first and pull it out. So it should be like this. So careful. Right here, then pull it out. Look nice. Right, and then I'll target inward into the pocket. I can put out a little bit further so I can make these wings look nicer. It's precious down. And I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Right, I can match this edge toward the center crease. I will not fold it right away. I will adjust it a little bit first until I head to this side right here. You see this edge right here? Let me hold up right here, right here. So adjust it a little bit further and then pull this side out. Pull it out. Make sure that you adjust this. You can try to pull it out a little bit further. Right here. Same thing for this side. I'm going to fix this because I do not see it look nice. See this part right here? I will adjust it a little bit so that it will go a little bit down, but it will look nicer and it stays stronger too. Right, now I have this part of the paper. I will target into this pocket as well. I push this inward a little bit further, right, and then I can pull this out. You can adjust it a little bit more. Yeah. Now I finished the body of the paper blend. I can flip the blend over. You see the head will look like this. Very nice. Next step, I can fold the paper in half. And then start from this edge. I can fold it down to create a wing. Curve the blend first. Curve the size of the blend to create a wing first. If you fold it like this, it will stop right here, so we adjust it a little bit. I will try to match from this point straight here. So adjust it a little bit and then fold the wing. Once I finish with this side of the plane, I can repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now I can open the wings. You can see the planes look very nice, right, with a pointy head, but that is not done yet, right? The head is not strong enough, so I have to adjust it a little bit further. Also here I need to fix this. Oh no. Alright, so let me place the paper down. I'll start from this edge. I put toward the center crease. I want to make a very pointy head, strong, cool looking plane. I press this down here, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. I place the paper down this way so you can see that. I hold the paper up and I fold inward to the center crease. I will press the paper down so this is look cool. Make sure that I adjust it first. Okay. Now let me place the paper over. You can see that the heads look really cool, right? But if I leave the paper like that, this won't last long. So I have to fold this part of the paper forward. That's why I can hold the head all together and make it firm. So forward like this. Adjust it a little bit more. Again, this is an advanced paper airplane. It requires a lot of fold to lock the body all together. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Start from this edge, fold toward the center crease. And I'm going to press this down. Press this down a little bit more. That's why I can lock this part all together. And here you go, everyone. This is a new paper airplane, and this is almost done. One more step that you need to do is to fold the stabilizers up. This part of the plane, use your finger as a reference. You can start from here, place down, and just fold straight. Make sure that this edge will parallel with the center crease. I just fold it a little bit more. When I finish with this side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. Once all the edges are done, the stabilizers are done, you can throw the paper airplane. So let me press this side of the plane, right? Adjust the wings a little bit so that it's even. Yeah, you need to curve it up a little bit. At the end of this wing, I will fold up to make sure that the plane will fly. I created 2 pinch elevators. Adjust the edge of the plane, curve it up a little bit, and now here you go, everyone. This is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.